welcome to Aaral Stocks. Today we are going to see the demo video about our product which is called Aaral Client. This Aaral Client software is common to NSE as well as MCX and both product of intraday as well as positional trading. In this video I am going to show you using our product how to do intraday trading, positional trading in NSE and MCX. Right click the Aaral Client shortcut from your desktop and click open. A login form asks you to enter your ID and password, which is you already received your registered email ID. Mostly the ID and passwords are in capital letters. If you enter the correct ID, then the cursor automatically redirect you into the password segment. After you enter the correct password, no need to press enter. The software automatically getting logging in. Database update progress will take 30 seconds. After updating the initial database, you will get a home screen like this. In home screen, at the top right corner, license informations are available like license name, mobile number and registered email ID, login ID and also the expiry date. Now we are going to see the functions of home screen buttons. The first button is called equity positional. This equity positional option, you will get more than 120 scripts for positional trading. These scripts are available at the different time frames like day chart, weekly chart and monthly chart. There is no intraday segment available for equity. Next one is future button. You will get top 50 which is called Nifty 50 stocks available for intraday and positional trading. Next one is commodity button. You will get the top 18 contracts of MCX segment which is available for intraday as well as positional trading. This is the overview of our software. NSE equity segments are available for only positional trading and option trading. There is no intraday. Next one is future and commodities button. This button is enabled for the customers who purchased both market NSE and MCX pack. Using this button, you can access more than 70 scripts in a single page, 52 NSE scripts and 18 commodity scripts. Now I'm opening future and commodity page. In this page, the future prices and commodity prices, the totally 70 scripts are available. These are the script names. If you want to access a particular script's EOD chart, which is called end of the day chart for positional trading, you have to click this symbol to access the EOD chart. EOD chart is also called positional chart, which is available for weekly, monthly and yearly pack. And this is future LTP price. LTP is nothing but last traded price. If you want to access a particular script's intraday chart, then you have to click the price of the particular script. For example, if you want to access the Nifty script intraday chart, then you have to click the Nifty price. The next one is equity LTP price. This equity LTP price for the reference purposes. For example, clients want to trade with comparison between the future price and equity price. And those can use this equity price for the reference. So these equity prices only for reference. Next one is the very important thing, buy and sell recommendation section. You will get a buy sell recommendation for intraday trading in both future market and as well as the commodity market. These recommendations are commonly known as the buy and sell and sometimes waiting. Next one is admin message panel. The admin side have 100% sure calls or software related enquiries or software related upgrades will display here. Next one is get positional calls closing basis button. Using this button, you can access the buy sell recommendation board which is comfortable for future and commodity market. As I explained before, if you want to access a particular script intraday chart, then you have to click the particular script the price. This intraday chart will display the combination of red and green signals. The red color candles are shows the sell signals and the green color signals are shows you the buy signals. Buy at label gives you the exact buy price and SL is nothing but a stop loss which is give you the exact stop loss price and TAR is a target which is giving you the target price. In intraday chart, left side top corner, the recommendation details are available like the last call, date, time, the entry price, stop loss and target price and also the lot size of the particular script and the risk amount. Risk amount is nothing but the difference between the entry point and stop loss and the profit amount. The profit amount is the difference between the current price and the entry price. The minimum targets are available from the range between 1500 to 10,000 depends upon your requirement. These minimum targets are highlighted intraday chart itself. So you no need to wait until your target price is reached. So once the minimum target is reached, then you can exit your buy or sell order. The success ratio of the minimum target is very impressive compared than the normal targets. If you exit always in minimum target 1 as a 1500 rupees as a minimum profit, then your success ratio will be 91%. The minimum target 2 has 82% of success ratio and the minimum target 3 is a 65% of success ratio. So the minimum target 4 and 5s are less than 50% of success ratio. So the thing is, if you want to exit 1500 rupees profit always, then your success ratio will be 91%. In intraday chart, right side, a big candle continuously blinking, which is representing the day status of the particular script. For example, if you take Nifty, then the big candle representing the Nifty open and current LTP and the day low. Under the chart, the basic parameters are available, which is LTP, y-axis value, time, date, the OHL, open, high, low, close, and the volume, also the previous close points. The right side, the two buttons, additional buttons are available. The first one is switch button, which is used to switch between the intraday chart and the EOD chart. For example, if you are in the Nifty intraday chart, then you have to see the Nifty EOD chart. You no need to close the intraday chart and go to the EOD chart. Just click the switch button. It switch the intraday view to the day view and day view to the intraday view. Next one is manual refresh button. If you face any difficulty in chart drawing, then you have to click the refresh button to refresh your chart. Now we know how to use the intraday chart. Now I'm going to open a few intraday chart for your reference. We are in Bank of Baroda intraday chart. In this chart shows the sell signal, the also stop loss and the proper target. As we discussed before, the 5 minimum targets also available. So as per the chart, the Bank of Baroda has reached 1500 as a minimum target 1, then it's going towards the minimum target 2 is also the main target. As we discussed before, the current profit amount is 1750, so you no need to wait for the entire target. They always try to book the minimum target 1, then your success ratio will be 90%. For 90% means if you are doing a 10 trading, out of the 10 trading you will get at least the minimum of 8 to 9 calls in a profit side. Now we are in LNT intraday chart. The LNT is also giving a sell signal which is having a same a target and stop loss and also the minimum targets. Now we are in Axis Bank intraday chart. The Axis Bank giving a buy signal 2 days before itself. So there is no intraday signal today. For understanding the chart, just see the chart. It is giving the buy signal and it is going beyond the main target and also reach the minimum target 5. Now I'm going to show you some commodity scripts for intraday purpose. We are in aluminum intraday chart now. As we discussed before, aluminum have a sell signal. The sell signal has reached the main target and also it's going near the minimum target 4. Now I'm opening nickel intraday chart. This intraday chart has sell signal. The same like other charts, they have a entry point and stop loss and targets. So the intraday view of the both NSE and MCX are same. Using this view, you can do intraday properly. So this is the proper way to understanding the intraday chart. Now we are going to see how to open EOD chart in Aaral client software. As we discussed before, if you want to open a particular script EOD chart, then you have to click the script name label. For example, if you want to open a Nifty EOD chart, then you have to click the name of the Nifty. Now we are in Nifty EOD chart. The EOD chart also has a buy and sell recommendation. Just like a intraday chart, one buy point and a stop loss point is also the target point. And main important thing, the same like intraday chart, here also having 5 minimum targets which is starting from 5,000 to 15,000. Same like a intraday chart, left side top corner, the call details are available. Last call and date, entry price, stop loss, target and the lot size of the particular script and the risk amount as a current profit amount and also the importance of the minimum targets. Also, the bottom of the chart, the basic parameters are available. The LTP, Y-axis value, OHL, open, high, low, close and volume. For reference, I'm going to open Coal India positional chart. So in this chart, as we seen in the Nifty EOD chart, the same thing, buy signal appear, buy price and stop loss and target price, and also the 5 minimum targets are available. So under positional trading, the positional period will be the minimum of 2 days to maximum of 2 weeks. If you take a positional call, you can get a target within 2 days or the maximum the 2 weeks period. Now we understand how to open and how to understand the EOD chart of a particular script. So now we are going to see how to get a buy and sell recommendation for positional trading. To get buy and sell recommendation in positional trading, you have to click this positional calls closing basis button between 3 to 3:15, because we are generating the buy and sell recommendation for positional trading based on the closing prices. So I am recommending you to click this button between 3 to 3:15 and analyze the chart and place the order between 3:15 to 3:30. So at 3 o'clock, by clicking get positional call closing basis button, you will get a buy and sell recommendation for both future and commodity markets, which is available for minimum of 2 days to maximum of 2 weeks period. These are the equity name labels. These are the equity LTP labels. We have mostly the A group stocks, the range between 130 to 140 scripts. Also we have a admin message panel to display the admin messages here, and also the daily, weekly and monthly time frame settings are available. As we discussed before in a future and commodity market, to get a positional call in equity market, click get positional call closing basis button around 3 to 3:15. Then a buy sell recommendation list will appear. Under the list, you can choose your favorite scripts for positional trading. So based on this recommendation, you can go for a buy and sell in positional trading. The equity chart is the same like a future positional chart. We have a sell or buy and also the stop loss or target prices and 5 minimum targets. Compare than future market, we have one additional option in equity market, which is option recommendation. This option recommendation is based on that buy and sell. If the equity price is buy, then this C call option strike prices are available, and also if the equity price is sell, the put option strike price is available. So we can use this equity EOD chart for equity positional trading as well as the optional positional trading.